Jonas.
Westmount Pharmacy employs the highest number of specialized pharmacists in Ontario. Owner Murad Jonas is the only pharmacist in the world to have 4 pharmacy specialties, and the business has the most up-to-date dispensing equipment in the area. But those aren't the only things that make this pharmacy unique. Pharmacist Murad Jonas doesn't idolize singers or sports stars. His hero is Sir Frederick Banting.
He's a Canadian scientist, and he did discover insulin, insulin cure disease, that's what we are all about here.
And it's Banting's era that was the inspiration for the pharmacy renovation. Walking into the new Westmount pharmacy is like walking back in time, but he didn't have to go very far to find the expertise needed to bring back the 20s and 30s.
Every single piece here was done by a local person in Peterborough. My vision to bring this kind of old-fashioned pharmacy was articulated by Debbie Kay. She is an engineer.
Something you won't find at this pharmacy is makeup, fragrances, or groceries. Jonas is the only pharmacist in the world to hold 4 specialty degrees, and he's also a doctor of pharmacology.
It's the matter of showing to the public this kind of pharmacotherapy specialist, this particular person understand or aware about the newest research and news guideline with this disease matter.
Maha Jonas is a certified geriatric and diabetic pharmacist.
For people who is in type 1, who are on insulin, or type 2 diabetes, who take insulin, should be in contact with a diabetic educator more often to avoid low blood sugar or high blood sugar.
But while the front of the house is like taking a step back in time, the back of the house is the future of pharmacology.
And leaves picking and packing and labeling to a machine that doesn't do any errors. It knows exactly where all the drugs are, puts it together in a nice package, and even puts a nice logo on it for you.
Gone are the days of the pharmacist counting pills. Now that's left to machines. Westmount is home to one of only 2 machines in Ontario that make customized blister packs for patients who have a hard time managing their meds.
Blister packs are printed with the patient's name and picture, so it makes it very hard for the nurse or caregiver to give the patient the wrong blister pack.
And that leaves Jonas and his team of experts with more time to help patients. And you can meet some of those experts this Saturday when Westmount Pharmacy will be having a grand opening of their expansion. The mayor and other local dignitaries will be on hand for the official ribbon cutting at 10:30 a.m. You're all invited. For Healthwatch, I'm Pamela Van Meer.